PUBG Mobile and PUBG Mobile Lite have been banned in India. What's up peeps, Munchie here, back with another video, and guess what? Latest news coming out of India is that PUBG Mobile and PUBG Mobile Lite have been banned by the government of India. The list is 118 apps and PUBG is the most prominent app on that list. Before you ask me, has COD been banned? No, COD or Call of Duty Mobile has not been banned. Next up, a lot of you will tell me that, oh, only the Nordic map has been banned. Well, that is also not true. PUBG Mobile has been banned, and the name which is mentioned on the list published by the government of India is the name of the app on the Google Play Store, as you can see on your screen right now. The next question which I will get is that is PUBG Chinese or Korean? The answer is kind of complicated, and those of you who like to read, make sure you check out the link in the pinned comment. And for the rest of you, in short, PUBG was originally a PC game. That is what is PUBG. That was owned by a Korean company and it was developed by a Korean company. The name of that game company was Blue Hole Studio. Now, PUBG became so popular that Tencent Games, which is one of the largest publisher of video games in China, wanted to publish this game in China, and they also purchased some stake in Bluehole, right? And then they came out with two versions of PUBG Mobile. So PUBG Mobile eventually was developed by an internal division of Tencent. Now PUBG Mobile itself has a lot of blood and stuff, right? So the Chinese government did not allow this, and eventually Tencent launched the game PUBG as Game for Peace, and they made some changes to the game wherein it meets China's content restrictions and all those things. And I'm reading all of this from Wikipedia. Of course, you can find all these links in the pinned comment on this video. So just to make it clear, PUBG, the PC game or the console part, is Korean, and the PUBG Mobile is actually Chinese. And that is where the issue comes in. If you go to the Google Play Store, you will see that the game is not sold or listed under the Korean company. It is listed under Tencent Games, and this is where the problem comes in. Tencent is a Chinese company, even though the stake they have in this company called Bluehole is like 10 or 11%. It's not much, maybe like 11.5%. So there it is. The players first see the Tencent logo and then PUBG Corporation logo. Tencent Games also bought a 11.5% stake in Bluehole in mid 2018. And it is reported that Tencent earned $1.3 billion from PUBG Mobile in 2019. My opinion is that the ban is just a way of flexing your muscles that, oh, we can ban apps. Banning apps is not a way of resolving border disputes, but that is what it has come down to, and I won't go into the politics of it. But this is the reason why PUBG Mobile has been banned, because most of the people don't even know about this gaming company from Korea, which is actually Bluehole Studio, and they are the ones who are responsible for PUBG. Everybody plays PUBG Mobile in India. People going to school in the buses, in the trains, everybody is addicted to PUBG Mobile, and Tencent Games is on the forefront. And with that border dispute with China, it was all but obvious that the ban is gonna come pretty soon. Now, a few days back, TikTok was banned, so PUBG ban was coming pretty soon. It's just that PUBG is very popular, and people did not expect that the government is going to ban PUBG Mobile because it is a popular game. The government doesn't care about a popular game. On the forefront is Tencent, Chinese company, PUBG Mobile, ban, plain and simple. It doesn't work like, oh, we have 20 million PUBG Mobile players in India, or it is an e-sport, so how can you ban it? That's how governments work. They don't run on the fact that it is a popular game. There's no denying the fact that it is a popular game, but the ban was just waiting to happen. Now, what is the solution to this? I think if India is strict about it, the only solution PUBG Mobile would have is that Tencent name is removed from PUBG Mobile. Activision, which is COD Mobile, so we can go to the Google Play Store and we can search for COD Mobile, right? This should be under Activision. There it is. You can see Activision Publishing. Activision is a US company. So if PUBG Mobile eventually goes to Activision, then I think the ban can be lifted. But other than that, those of you who game, you would have to look for other options like going behind VPN or proxy to play your favorite PUBG Mobile game. What do you peeps think about the ban? Do let me know via comments below.